Hello, my name is Anthony. Welcome to this session that discusses the Health Assessment Portal, which is available in 26.4 in the Oracle Utilities Cloud Services. In this session, we'll talk about its new feature and how it can impact your business. I'll give you an overview of the health assessment, followed by more detail to explain how to use it and the benefits to your business. Finally, we'll walk through a demonstration. Let's discuss how the assessments portal works and what to expect from the portal. First, our assessments evaluate your environments against Oracle-defined tolerances for critical controls and best practices. This ensures we're checking for what matters most for reliability, security, and performance. These assessments are run automatically as part of your regular service maintenance, so you don't need to schedule or trigger them. Results are continuously updated. All results, both current and historical, are available in the Health Assessment Portal. This gives you a clear view of trends over time and helps you track progress after remediation. For each assessment, you'll see two key details: the target tolerance and your actual measured value. This makes it easy to spot when you're within range and where the attention is needed. We also provide context and guidance. Each assessment includes the rationale for the result and specific remediation advice, so you know why something was flagged and how to address it. Ultimately, this portal is designed to highlight the issues that matter most to the health of your implementation and to guide you towards keeping it in that optimal state. Now let's look at the Health Assessment Portal. Welcome to the demonstration of the Health Assessment Dashboard or Portal. You can navigate to the portal from the Dashboards menu, on the main menu, or from the Unified Search. Once you get into the portal, you'll see two graphs giving you the critical assessments, whether you pass and failure overall, and the overall assessments, which includes the non-critical. And you can see the different states. So obviously pass is pass and fail is fail. You can also see additional ones, warnings, as well as exceptions. Exceptions are that the rule had a problem assessing, so you need to investigate. Warnings means you're close to the failure tolerance and need to address it before it becomes a failure. You can click on the graphs here to broadcast the filters to the other zones, or you can simply use the zone at the bottom here to click on individual assessments so you can see whether it's critical, the assessment type, the score, the percentage failure, the assessment category, and the assessment ID. You can filter these by category and assessment types, and literally also see when the assessment was done. So I can click on an assessment and it will give you more detail of that assessment. So as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see here, this is an assessment for insufficient do rate. I can see what that means in terms of the detailed description, why it's important. I can see the percentage failure and the pass rate. So currently it's in pass. As you can see, it's passed every time. And I can see that if I had a failure, I can go in and review that information using the To-Do dashboard and resolve the issues. Additionally, I can navigate to other assessments in the past to see what I did and what was done. And I can see when this assessment was done, as well as the assessment ID for future reference. At any point in time, I can navigate back to the dashboard and look at each of the assessments and address them as needed. This concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching.